with the birdhouse with the night light. I just wanted to show you guys again inside. As you can see, lit up with the little bird nest. I haven't put any food or treats yet. She will be soon. And what she does, I will definitely record and show you guys what little birdies come and make this their home. My phone sucks, so you really can't see the side, but yeah, I wanted you to see it lit up at night. Birds are not gonna miss this if they come looking for their home. Lit up pretty good too. Yeah. Yeah. There. See all the light coming down from there. I wonder what it's like to be in here with it closed the door. Alright guys. There's the birdhouse at night for you. Beautifully lit up.